Let's take a look at Amat, Applied Materials. So I was kind of looking at the stock to the downside today. I was thinking that maybe if the market had a little bit more continued weakness, that we could possibly get that flush through yesterday's lows, which is 150.21. I'm just going to leave that trend line on there just in case the market does want to get a little weak. Maybe tomorrow, Friday, or next week. I still have that pivot in there. Only reason why I have that pivot in there is because the 10-day moving average is down here at 147.80. So for me as a day trader, there's plenty of room, an area of opportunity for me to get in and scalp some cash flow on that move. If the market did continue to roll over, and let's say there is more continued weakness and this 156.68 is the short-term top, I would be looking for AMAT to hold sort of this level here around the 20-day moving average, and that price is going to be about 142.75. If at any point in time we do come back down and back test this area, as soon as we reclaim it, I would be interested in possibly taking a swing off that for the next leg up. So it would kind of look something like this. Yeah, that's a horrible drawing, but something like that. You know, if we pop up here, kind of come down, back test this 10-day moving average, get a little bounce here, get stuffed at this these prior candles, then kind of come down here to the 20-day moving average, trade sideways for 1, 2, 3 days, and then start making this push up. Obviously, we're not going to go in a straight line. We're going to have dips here, but you get the overall picture to start that next leg up on AMAT. But just to get a little bit more short term, futures are up 60 points right now. If the market does want to continue to get strong, here's what I'm looking at on AMAT. So we know that yesterday we did have a little bit of a sell-off here. We did not push those highs. We came back down, broke through the 5-day moving average, and kind of stopped right here at the linear regression demand zone. And with that being said, today we got that push right off this area of demand and closed over yesterday's highs, obviously, and tried to make a run at this top tail here. So after hours right now, we are currently trading at 154.50. The spread between 154.50 and 154.95. I did draw this trend line here at 154.96. What I am looking for is a clean break here of 155, potential scalp or day trade to 156.60. So maybe look for anywhere from 50 cents to $1.50 on this move. If momentum is strong and we do set a new high, I would look to take profits there and then look to back test this rising 5-day moving average. That's the play that I'm looking for on AMAT. So just to kind of make things clear, if the market wants to roll over, let's say after the first hour or two, I am looking for a flush on AMAT through 150.24. That is about 5 points down. So you got to be a little bit careful. That move can be a little bit extended. I want to see where AMAT opens up in the pre-market. I want to see what it does that first maybe 30 minutes to an hour. If we can get that confirmation of 155, I'm going to look to enter a trade there. Price target being around 156 to 156.50. Look to scale out and take some profits there, depending on the momentum, depending on the volume. If this thing starts to fly, moving up 155, 156, 157, I'm going to try to stay in the trade for as long as I can. However, if I can get that first dollar move off this thing relatively quickly, I'm just going to probably take my contracts off of the table at that time. I hope that helps. This is an inside look at what I'm looking at for AMAT going into tomorrow, which is going to be the 12th of November. Guys, if you like these videos, you want to trade with me and some of the people that I have in my Discord, we trade everything from small caps all the way up to mega cap stocks, kind of put our ins and outs on our idea and our ideas out there. That Discord link is down in the description box below. If you kind of want to learn how I trade, I do have a website that is also in the description box below. If you don't do any of those things, please do me a favor. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. What do you think about AMAT? Do you think that the market is going to continue this bounce and push higher, or do you think that we're going to keep coming back down and maybe back test this 20-day moving average here? Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys all in the next video.